Fish bowl, soon to be gone right now. Let's do like a before. Straight, just see in there. Oh, it's shiny on this side, but still my radio. This is the truck as it sits before. This morning went and got my smog.
I mean, I still have my
nice cack. Nice cack. Passed, whatever. Went with this culo. This fucking pussy. In this pussy wagon.
Pussy wagon.
10 time. We just picked up this little thing.
Real YouTube radio. Real YouTube.
You got the Alamo Z there, Mikey. Alright, well, before and after this, hopefully it fits. We also got some new, we just got some just cheap harnesses for the now, for the look, for the aesthetic. Got that sick ass pan shot. Michael with the feature in the video, tightening the bolts.
What's up, guys? You know, just hire a mechanic.
I'm gonna hire him right now to do the K bar because actually that shouldn't be hard. So we're gonna do the harness and then wait for those harnesses to dry. You guys don't even want to know what I went through to get this stupid harness part to go in there. Oh, we got it in there. Shout out my pops. We turned a bolt in freaking K bar harness bar whatever into a goddamn custom one. So shout out my dad. Thank God he knows how to weld. I don't know what everyone on the freaking internet seems to be having the easiest job with this thing, but mine was a nightmare. I got it used, so maybe that's part of it. Maybe it was tweaked, but it's in there. So now the harnesses are now clean. We just got some RaceQuip ones. It's a 5-point. I'm not gonna use a 5th point because I don't have like real dedicated like fixed back racing seats. So at least we have the 2 slots on the top to bring the shoulder harnesses in. So we're gonna bolt those in before I vacuum bolt those in. And yeah, I finished tonight, but it does look sick in there, I'm not gonna lie. With the whole interior, I think it's gonna come together pretty nice. Those those harnesses do have a hint of red in them, so hopefully they'll match pretty good. But yeah, I legit took way too long trying to get that in. I had to call reinforcements. Thank God, like I said, my pops can weld. Came in with the welder and the finesse and he got it done. Alright y'all, this is where we end the night. Seat in, harness in, needs adjustment, but it's pretty in there. Gotta put the seat in. I'm gonna do it in the morning. It's already 1. I've been up since 8. Looks pretty stellar though. Like I said, there's slack here because I need to adjust it to where it's at now. Because that's where I found where I like it, so. Race car as fuck. Ordered new brakes, so I got new brakes and rotors coming in. Well, brake pads and rotors coming in. And the Z will be pretty good for a while. Can't wait to go toge it. Got some good old sounds in her. But yeah, that's all for tonight. I'm going to get to editing this video. It's been a long ass day. We got the smog done for the truck. We got the tint done for the truck. And then all the Z work that we got done today. So it's all gonna be one video. I'm probably gonna edit this tonight. Probably be up sometime this week. So appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you.